Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these gochujang prawn noodles. It might be a bit obvious, but I'm really into like elevating instant noodle recipes, so this is another one to my collection. So for this recipe, I'm using 150 grams of frozen prawns, which I defrosted in some warm water. To be honest, you can use as many prawns as you want or as many less as you want as well. So for the seasonings, I use some mixed herbs, chili flakes, cayenne pepper, and also some sweet chili sauce. I'll have the link for the sweet chili sauce in the caption. This is actually my favourite chili sauce and it's also halal as well. Also, to finish off the prawns, I added some dark soy sauce as well. For the next part, I sliced up some onions and I followed that by chopping up some fresh garlic as well. And then now for the next part, in a pan, add in some olive oil. And then I followed that by adding in the chopped onions, allowing that to cook on a medium to high heat for around a minute. And then I followed that by adding in the garlic. And then after around a minute of adding in the garlic, which was on a medium to high heat, I then followed that by adding in the prawns. I ended up cooking the prawns for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Just after around 3 minutes of the prawns being cooked, I then added in a heaped spoon of gochujang paste. Make sure to give that a good mix on a medium to low heat as you don't want it to burn. And then once that's all mixed up, I turned off the heat and then started to boil my noodles. I ended up using the noodle packet, which was the plain samyang ones, so this has no seasoning packets in it. If you want to end up using your own noodle packet with your own type of like spices, then that will work really well as well. But I simply boil my noodles for a couple minutes until they become soft, and then as soon as they're soft, I literally turn off the heat and then I added them into the prawns. I was also thinking, if you want to make these noodles a little bit more soupy, then definitely add some water. I wanted to make them dry, so I didn't add any water inside this recipe. At this point, I did turn the heat back on, just so the prawns and the noodles can mix well and it just kind of cooks together for like literally a minute or two. I'm just looking at these noodles now and it's actually like making me drool because they just look so good. I have been meaning to do a chicken noodle recipe. I'm just still trying to like think what spices and if I want to add any sauces in it as well. Also, these plain noodle packets are literally a lifesaver because you can just make anything with them and just add in like your own anything basically. I also ended up adding a little bit more dark soy sauce and also some sweet chili sauce. Looking back, I would have definitely added in another tablespoon or 2 of the gochujang paste. And then once that's all mixed well together, the dish is literally done. So here is how you make a very quick and easy gochujang prawn noodles. I did not have any spring rolls to garnish, so I just kept them how it is. I'm going to have all the ingredients listed in the caption below. I'm also going to be making a lot of more quick elevated noodle recipes, so make sure to stay tuned for them. It has been requested a lot that I start making like more South Asian curries, because that's something which I don't do on my channel and it's something that I do make a lot at home, but I just don't make videos of it. So I will be making them, of course. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.